This product is very special because the way it's manufactured, it's actually built up just of 4 parts. Aluminum is an extremely beautiful material and it feels really nice. It feels very strong, very solid and very precise.
The Xperia P is the centerpiece of our Xperia Next series. An aluminum unibody where all the greatness of Sony is inside and it lets you easily connect to the world of Sony beyond the smartphone. When you create and capture the best moments on your Sony Xperia smartphone, you want to share that experience when you're home with your family and friends. Your Xperia smartphone lets you seamlessly connect to your TV, to your tablet, or on any other connected device from Sony.
It has a dual-core processor. It's a really fast smartphone. It's unique in including Sony's White Magic technology. It gives you a screen that's ultra-bright and intelligent. The brightness is adjusting whether you're indoors or outdoors. Once you're inside, it will automatically go into a power-efficient mode.
You want to enjoy your entertainment in your way, anytime and anywhere. You get the best of the world of Android. And with Music and Video Unlimited, you have all the entertainment that you want instantly available at the palm of your hand.
Xperia P has fast capture that will take you from sleep mode to snap in just over a second.
And it lets you capture your moments in HD video quality.
It's really complex when you create something minimalistic. It becomes much more focused about every detail of the product.
Imagination is essentially what drives us to deliver entertainment that to you as a consumer sparks your imagination.
You can fall in love with it, you can understand what it is, but you don't grow bored of it. You don't fall out of love because it's the perfect balance between simple and complex.